Hello friends, this is the herbal garden of very special area in Bangaluru. They don't require much space, but it contains so many plants which are having preventive and curative properties against diseases. It is well maintained herbal garden with different species of medicinal herbs and also attractive area of that place because of the natural gift of God. In this garden, some herbs and plants should be very common, but some are very new for us. I hope you like that garden. Some herbs are very common, that should be a tree of banana, pomegranate, that should be the entrance of the herbal garden, and some are very different, that should be red periwinkle, and other than that these are very new for all of us. So see these all. Some names are mentioned in the boards, but some are not mentioned. So you have to see that some are very unique plants and herbs. That should be aloe vera. It is very common. This is toothache plant. I don't see in before than that. Multivitamin. I think I saw that in first time. Some special thing is that it covers it covers not more than space, but it covers maximum plantation in that. I hope you like that garden. Take care and bye bye.